still doing a video?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's look, I wanted to share with you guys what I personally would wear if I'm going out with my friends, or to dinner, or to a concert, or just to look a little more extra on the glam side. I hope you guys learned something from this and enjoy the video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I like to create videos every so often, every chance I can get. I'm not as active as I used to be, but I do love creating videos. If you haven't subscribed and would like to, go ahead and make my day. Oh, and also if you want to get a hold of me, please follow me on Instagram and leave your comments there. You can DM me, you can message me, you can comment, and it's a lot easier for me to reply to you guys. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyes first with MAC Prep and Prime's 24-Hour Extended Eye Base. A little goes a long way, and I truly love this primer because it really just makes my shadows pop. Next is, first shadow is going to be a mixture of Venus and Foxy from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. Taking a flat shader brush, I'm going to be taking those two colors and I'm just going to be applying it underneath my brow bone for a nice soft highlight. So with a MAC 224 blending brush, I'm going to be sweeping Goldenrod shadow just across my crease for a nice golden transition. We're definitely going to be building, so take your sweet time and adding more color if you need to. Next color that I'm going to be taking is Burnt Orange, and I believe this is a pro color from MAC. I really don't know if they still make this eyeshadow color, but it's kind of like a mustard yellow. So not going any higher than where you apply the Goldenrod shade. I'm just applying this right below it. And again, taking a 217 brush because it definitely packs on more color and it's a denser brush, so it gets really stuck in that crease. I want to deepen up this look. So I'm going to be taking the same 217 brush, but I'm going in with a cool toned brown. I'm going to be applying this right below the Burnt Orange eyeshadow. And again, we're just sweeping this back and forth on the crease and building. Gives it more depth when I add it all the way into the inner corner. We're going to be taking concealer, any concealer of your choice. This is just my Super Stay Better Skin. This is where we're going to be cutting the crease. So all you have to do is take like a small dab on each of your eye, look up, blink a couple times, and then that creates your measurement. I'm taking MAC's 249 brush and I'm just going to pat this. Because the last thing you want is not having enough product and then you're just dragging out the colors. So we're going to take Shroom Eyeshadow by MAC and with the 252 brush apply this right on top of the concealer. I would start in the middle first and pat that shadow in. So I'm going to be taking ColourPop's Golden State of Mind Shadow Palette in the color, maybe Golden Egg. And I'm going to take my finger and really bounce this on. Let's try some Queen Bee Lashes by Cocoa Lashes. Alright, we're just going to be taking my favorite lash curler and blending the two bad boys together. It's so seamless, y'all. So you guys should know that you put your lashes on properly if nothing is like bothering you. So you shouldn't really feel any discomfort applying lashes. If you do, you did something wrong, my friend. Alright, so I'm just going to be applying my face really quickly, and then after I apply my face, I'm going to finish the eyes and the lips. Alright, now that I have my face on, I'm going to be applying my brows. I tend to like applying my brows right after I apply the foundation because it just blends a lot better to me, and so that I don't have to mess up my brows when I do apply my foundation. It's already there. And this is how I apply my brows when I am going out and I want to be a little extra. It's definitely more defined than my everyday wear. So the strokes are a little bit darker. Now it's time to define the lower lash line and then lips, and then I'm done. So I'm going to be taking one of my favorite eyeliners. This is Costa Riche Eye Kohl by MAC. And then I'm just going to blend it with a pencil brush. Now I'm going to go in with a blending brush, and we're just going to go in with burnt orange and apply this like right on the outer corners. And you kind of want to drag it below the liner. You don't want to go directly on top because then it's going to diminish the color. Ta-da! And then apply your favorite mascara on your lower lash line. You guys know mine. For lips, I want something glossy because I don't want to take away from the eyes because, damn, we spent a long time on the eyes. I want to keep it fairly nude and glossy. And then for the lipstick, I have been loving this combo, y'all guys. For the perfect nude that I really, really love, it's these two lipsticks. This one's called Appy by ColourPop. It's such a pretty nude color. Look at this. And then right on top of it, oh my god, I love Lime Crime's New York City. It's a freaking yellow lipstick. But if you apply it right on top of the nude, it just adds this like, what is on your lips? It's like an extra, I don't know, it's just gorgeous, you guys. Just wait and see, okay? Just wait and see. You don't need a lot of it, you guys. Just adds a little bit more dimension. Buxom lip glosses are my absolute favorite. Hands down favorite lip glosses of all time. This that goes well with nudes is called White Russian. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on my full coverage foundation look. It's definitely different from my everyday go-to where it's a lot more extra, but it's definitely perfect for a night out, such as these bad boys on my eyes. Thank you guys if you ended up here till the end. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and until my next video, let me know what you guys want to see from me next. I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah!